AMC stock live. It is trading at $29.44, a gain of $20.54. Stock is strongly bullish right now. We're seeing so far, the last time we checked, the volume for this session is up over $84 million. 84 million shares. Right now, what do we have? We have 89.106 million shares, above average. That's what we have. So the stock is currently rallying right now within a longer term bearish trend. So it's rallying right now, and we definitely you must have heard the news. The news is that moviegoers return to seats as Wedbush sees improving box office trends with Spider-Man 3 driving sales. Further, events add thousands of new locations and breaks box office records this holiday season. AMC hosts record 1.1 million people as at US theaters for Spider-Man No Way on opening night. One night alone, 1 million people. AMC hosting 1 million people. AMC Entertainment announced that Spider-Man No Way Home has broken AMC box records. Yes, that's what we're seeing right now. The fundamentals are coming in to drive out the short sellers right now. It's coming out. The fundamentals are coming out to drive out short sellers. It's the gain is still at $20.41. We have a target of $33, 33.39. Can it get there? Is it possible? We're roughly we're just about, call it about $4.40 or there, about roughly $4.80 from that. Is it possible in this session? Possibly, fingers crossed. Right now momentum is just waning, not doing so well. So this is it's an indication that it's a good chance the stock is going to rally now, because as we all know, usually when momentum dries out or is getting weak, the implication of that is that it's going to spring up again. So there's every chance the stock might continue to extend. It didn't extend in the pre-market session. It's just that the news just came out, so the stock is in the move right now. Has added another 1.5%. Has about 1.1% or thereabouts. So let's see what's this piece they wrote here says here. Yes, as we all know, they hosted 1.1 million people in just one session yesterday, the 16th of December, on the debut of Spider-Man No Way Home. Okay, so, and this is just not one. I mean, there will be more and more people are going to come, so that's really good for AMC, you know. What is he saying here? Yes, the gain is now 21.8%. You can see I told you it's going to spike, and it spiked. You know, I just saw that, and it's spiking. Will it get to 33.39? That's our target, 33.39. Possibly in this session. Yes, fingers crossed. It's very much possible. Very much possible. The stock is right now overbought right now. Strength RSI is also improving and extending. Strongly bullish, trading above its 10 and 20-day moving averages. Volume, let's get the volumes here. Let's get the volumes. This up volume is at 7.53, 6.9, 7.5 million shares. So right now, buyers, the volumes as it's extending is it's extending right now. So more and more transactions are going on as it's extending right now. So we have a volume of 7.7 million shares and counting for this time frame. So the gain is now 22.41, 22.54, 22.41%. It's 33.39 possible. That's our target, 33.39. Is it possible to get there? Will AMC get there to 3.39? Let's see what's going on the options front. Let's see what's going on the options front concerning AMC. Let's see what's going on there as well. Let's see AMC. While that is coming up, let's return here and see what's going on. 22 volumes are okay. Let's use this volume here. 243, 245,000, 256,000 and counting. Buyers are definitely very keen. This is not just a case of a technical issue. This is a fundamental positive coming out that just came out now. And then if you add up the other technical other technical issues, this is really a good day. But we know that of late AMC has not been extending hugely. It has not been, 20% is good, but for its record 22% is not so wonderful, not super excellent. So let's see whether anything has come up here. Okay, let's get to AMC. Let's return 22.33%. It's 33.39 possible in this session. We're just not that far away from that figure. We're just about, just roughly, call it 33.7. Okay, $3.7. That's where we're. That's just $3.70. We're just 3.70. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's just met some resistance here at $30. Met some resistance there, just $3 shy from that 33.39 target of ours. So let's return and see whether we can get what's going on with the options as it concerns HCMC. Remember that some contracts will expire today, the 17th. So interestingly, this news came out on a day like this. Market participants are definitely working hard today, the 17th. Given all that's going on with AMC now, let's see. They're definitely very busy and they're spending money right now. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's see where the interests are. Okay, the stock is trading at 29. You can see from here from $25 on, this is expiring today. You can see $25 volumes. You can see that. See the volumes here. 87,000 on $30. So yes, they are piling on here on the 87 on the $30 strike, and it just touched $30 and retraced. Oh, it has broken above $30. So 33 is possible. 33 is possible. It's now at 30.016. 33 is possible. Let's see what the Greeks are saying. It will give us an idea of the sort of volumes that's going to be involved. Let's get the volumes here. Let's get to the Greeks. It's already in the money, so you better refresh it and see what's going on there. So let's get it 30.24. Well, our target is 33.39. Are we gonna get there? Let's return and see what the Greeks are saying. So the $30 strike should be in the money right now. It is in the money. The delta is 0.554. So 0.554. Let's return and see the calls and the puts. 0.554. That will be 55.4 times that volume of 89,364. That will give us an idea of the sort of volumes that will be going in there. I mean, it's just a vague idea, just 55.4 times 89,364 will give us 4.9 million. This is just on one strike alone. This is the sort of things they'll be contending with, and then you have much more all around, So, and these are expiring today. So this is our target, $33. It's also, it has a significant amount of volume there, and then you can see the $32 has an open interest over 25,811. So this is interesting stuff. Let's get the price for. Okay, it's at it's pulled back slightly. Okay, no, it's pulled back slightly, yes, but even at that, it's still maintaining that $30 price. Momentum is it's lingering there. It's lingering in the overbought condition. RSI is strong. So we're definitely seeing, market participants are also definitely feeling this, because they are busy hedging things, buying back and all that stuff, selling. The stock is rallying now, so they may be hedging, they may be buying back, and also what has been observed of late is that market participants, especially the much younger market participants who are mostly into AMC, they have been made to understand that exercise, it causes the market participants to scramble and go and find the shares to deliver. So market participants may be exercising, they might be doing that, they may be exercising, because when they exercise, especially the ones in the money right now, these ones, the ones in the money, if you exercise, good for you, because already there won't be any loss as such. You can see the volume here at 40,901. So if market participants do that, then even if it's not in the money, it's going to cost you some money, but at the same time, it might lead to a hike. So this is amongst other things, but right now it has fallen below its 10-day moving average, and now fallen below $30, but momentum is still very strong. The momentum has dropped, so it's still not it has dropped but not oversold. It's trying to inch up again, some weakness there as well. So let's get the volumes we are looking at right now. Let's get the volumes for this session. The volume is 94.933 million. So that's what we're looking at right now. Let's return to the 1 minute and let's get see what the readout is here is saying about the volume for AMC. Okay, it appears to be in a bearish medium-term trend within a longer-term uptrend. Okay, it's on track to behavior than usual, trading. Okay, yes, the track this session is on track to behavior than usual, no doubt about that, So let's return and see what's going on. Let's refresh this. That $30 strike should be out of the money right now, and it has resumed again. But maybe the strike might have returned. Still in the money, still in 92,160 is now the volume so far. AMC $33. Is it possible? Is it possible in this session? Anything can happen, but what I know for sure is that market makers are very, very busy right now, because a lot of amongst other things, they will be hedging their positions and also trying to find shares to deliver, because market participants may be exercising their shares, they may be exercising their contracts, they may be exercising their contracts. That will force them into scrambling to deliver those shares to them. So let's see what we are looking at here. The sort of shares outstanding, 513 million shares outstanding. The float will be slightly less than that. So it's down at $30.07. Momentum has moved up now. It's still holding up. It's not that bad. RSI is also holding up as well. So let's look at the daily model. Let's look at the daily model, yes, and see what's going on there. Okay, RSI, the momentum is strong on this daily model. RSI as well. Volume is now 95 million, 8.45. Okay, let's return to the 1 minute. Okay, the stock is now at 30.143. Will it get to $33? That's our target, 33.39. Is it possible? 33.39. What are the chances of that happening in this session? Anything can happen. It's possible. It's possible. Yes, the news is out there. They hosted 1.1 million viewers in one day. That is yesterday, the 16th. That's very good. That's very good news. The fundamentals and the technicals are colliding to send the stock up to 3.44%. That's very good, but there is very good news on a day. Some contracts are expiring, some options are expiring. That's really good as well, really good. Yes, these options are expiring today, but we can see there's a huge amount of activity going here. You can see the changes going on here. You can see the changes. You can see this $30 strike added $0.96. You can see that that's a huge gain. That's more than 100%. So if you take out 96 from that, you can see, to give you an idea of what it was trading at. 104 minus 0.96, we are talking about $0.08. That was what it was trading at, $0.08 today before this happened. So had it been you had a position there, this would have been a huge one for you. So let's look at this. The gain is now 24. It's now at 30.34. Can it get to 33.39? Is it possible? Can it get there? There's every chance. Fingers crossed. It can get there. Momentum is holding up now. Overbought right now. RSI strong. Let's get the volumes for this whole session. Volume is 97. Gradually inching up and extending. Now at $30.39. Would we get to 33.39? Leave a comment below and let us know if you see 33.39 afterwards. Let us know if you see that. So right now, yes, holding up, extending and extending. 30.41, 30.40. That's the price right now. Our target is 33.39. Can it get there? Gain is now 24.17. Momentum is strong, very strong. RSI is also very strong on this 1 minute live model. So drop a comment. Let us know if you have seen 33.39. Let us know, please. Drop a comment. So we'll continue to update you as we watch AMC stock live, okay, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.